and they were carrying a bomb. The bomb went off before they reached their target. One man was wounded, the other killed, his body blown onto the roof of a nearby building by the force of the blast. The American center was not harmed. A close call, and also a reminder that this war is not just about smart bombs, Patriot missiles, and the high technology of modern warfare. There are primitive but effective weapons in the Iraqi arsenal. That includes, yes, even two men walking down a street in Manila today. This is one of the reasons why President Bush has been warning Americans not to get too confident. The war is not over yet. The beginning of the end is not even in sight. There are still going to be painful surprises. It didn't happen in Manila today, but one day, somewhere, it will, and we need to be prepared for that. That is our report on the war in our world this day. We will continue to bring you developments as they occur throughout the evening, and I hope you'll join us tomorrow morning for a special edition of Sunday Today and Meet the Press. Our guest from Saudi Arabia on Meet the Press will be General Norman Schwarzkopf, the commander of American forces in the war. I'm Garrett Gutley, and we leave you tonight with some scenes of a special moment at today's NHL All-Star Hockey match in Chicago.